And today we have a special spooky story inspired by the brilliant movie Ghostbusters. A drawer slides open by itself and all of the cards fly around like a tornado. Jumping our feet wide, arms wide, we begin to spin. Wow, what's happening? Why are all the cards flying around like birds? Alice is terrified and she runs around the library in a circle. Ready? Woo! She turns the corner and stops still because there before her is a ghost. When there's something strange in your neighbourhood, who are you going to call? Ghostbusters!
Hello, Ghostbusters. Yes, of course, they're serious.
I've got a ghost report.
You do?
I've seen it in the library.
You have?
It's been throwing all the books around.
No kidding.
I don't want everyone to know, though.
Yes, they'll be totally discreet.
Can they come?
Yes. Thank you.
She hangs up the phone and excitedly calls out, "We got one!" Time to do some ghost busting. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Splat! Ugh. The Ghostbusters are scared, but they are brave. They come up to stand, step 1 foot forward and 1 foot back, bend into their front knee and stretch their arms wide in their warrior pose. They take a big deep breath and they zap Slimer with their proton blasters. Instead of going woof woof, this dog says zoo. How very strange. Well, when there's something weird and it doesn't look good, who are you going to call? Ghostbusters! Later that night, lightning strikes the top of a building. Let's do our lightning pose. Feet nice and wide, we bend into one knee, zap our arm to the sky and protect our eyes with our other arm. Pew! Oh no! Suddenly a giant fluffy puffy marshmallow man appears. Let's cup our hands around our mouth and blow ourselves up into a giant fluffy puffy marshmallow man. Ready? Breathing in and blow. Wow! Look at you! You're huge! The giant fluffy puffy marshmallow man squishes and squelches through the city. Stretching those arms wide, we zap the marshmallow man to toast him. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes! And reaching them all the way up above our head to go. All of a sudden, there's a huge explosion.